Hey guys, my name's Caleb, and in this video, we're going to be looking at Cardano to see if a $2 valuation is realistic in the short-term horizon. Before we get into that, I want to let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always make sure you do your own due diligence and research before investing in anything. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe to stay tuned in all the latest developments inside the space and smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, Cardano, we're trading at about $1.28. Which is a 15% run up in the last 7 days. I first invested in Cardano with hesitation like 4 months ago. I have most of my money in Ethereum, and I kept getting these videos. I'd tune into Charles Hoskinson, however you say his name, the founder of Cardano. I kept tuning into his live streams, listening to what he had to say, looking into more of the research, and I decided to give into some of my, let go of some of the skepticism I had and give it a little bit of a chance. I invested one of my Ethereum into Cardano at around, I want to say like 30 cents, somewhere in there. Since then, obviously, it has done really well. I think the original 1,300 or 1,400 that I had from that one Ethereum over into Cardano has turned into a little over $7,000, and I haven't traded it at all. I just put it in there and left it in there as like a hedge against Ethereum. Now, that's what I did, and it has played out really well. I couldn't have expected that, but it has definitely earned a seat at my table for some of my hedge against Ethereum, or you could say some of my portfolio. It's definitely earned a seat there, and I'm going to be adding a little bit to that. Now, in the last 7 days, we have seen a run up against the US dollar and against really Bitcoin and all, even Ethereum as well. And it started out on March 16th. Now, I made a video a couple days ago talking about this and what exactly happened in this 2-hour span where we had a major jump, and that was Coinbase Pro announced that they were going to begin letting their 43 million users trade Cardano, which is amazing for the Cardano team, a great accomplishment. And this partnership is going to bring on a ton of new investors inside the space. But let's look and see in this article. So we said March 16th, that's when I made that other video, we were going to have a big spike in volume, and we did, right? And then we saw some more as some more people were buying into the idea that, hey, this is about to be happening. And then when it actually happened around 9 a.m., right? Let's go back to the article. 9 a.m. Thursday, March 18th, which is today. Earlier today, we had a huge spike on Coinbase Pro, and this is what happened. So we opened right around here, $1.48, and then on Coinbase Pro, we saw a run up of all the way to $1.87 in Cardano. Now, as you just saw a second ago, none of the other exchanges got anywhere close to that. In fact, $1.44, when I was watching it live, some of them went to $1.48. That was the highest we got. Now, why on Coinbase Pro did we get all the way to $1.87? That is because the order book is so small, it's so new. There's not a ton of orders on the depth of the book. So it quickly ate up all of those orders and ran all the way up to $1.87 because maybe a lot of new investors were just placing market orders, and the FOMO in the first 15 minutes, these are 5-minute candles, just ran all the way up to $1.87, and some people got stuck with a market order purchasing $1.87 Cardano. And then we pulled all the way back down to $1.25 as some people, we look at this as selling the news. So a lot of, you could say, smart investors or day traders, they sold the news of this breaking, and then we pulled back. And now, since then, we pulled all the way down to $1.25. Since then, we've rebounded, and it's, what's the current price right now? We're at $1.28. And is $2 realistic in that timeline? Before I get into that, let me just say, this does look very risky. I'm not currently trading Cardano on Coinbase Pro at all because I'm letting this market grow and let the order book grow and let the depth grow. But if you're interested and you've done your research and you want to invest in Cardano, I would highly recommend doing it on an app like Voyager. Now, Voyager, if you guys don't already know, is a fantastic place where you can buy all kinds of altcoins, way more than you could on Coinbase. It is pretty similar to Robinhood, except you actually own them. You can transfer out anytime you invest in anything. You can buy them. You actually own the coins, and you can earn interest on them. So if we scroll over to the right here, look at the interest. You can earn 5.25% on your Cardano starting today, and it's literally that easy. So if you guys don't already have it, let me just show you really quick. I'm going to invest $100 into Cardano. Right here, let me hit trade. I'm gonna buy ADA, $100, slide over, and it's literally that easy. So I just submitted a market order to buy it. And one thing I wanna really express is that unlike Coinbase Pro back here, anytime you place an order on Voyager, it actually price shops for you to make the absolute best price it can get for you. Right now it's $1.26. It's going to price match between like 6 different exchanges to grab the best price for you in that moment. So whenever you place market orders, for me, it makes me really comfortable to place market orders. Any other app, I always place limit orders, and you can place limit orders on this, by the way, as well, but that's just very convenient for me. If you guys haven't already got Voyager, they're giving away $25 for free. You just have to use this code here, 7DBFE2, and they will literally give you $25 for free just for investing your first $100. Again, if you're already going to be investing anyway, always take that $25 if somebody's offering that to you for free. It really is that easy. So anyway, that's kind of been my strategy, is just to sprinkle some in $100 at a time as I see it pull back. And I'm not a day trader in any means, but I like to see kind of and speculate what's going to be happening in the short term. So on these pullbacks, I continue to go over to Voyager and sprinkle in $100 as I see some great prices and opportunities present themselves. Now, as far as a $2 valuation, even though we got close to it over here, when are we really going to be seeing it in the short term? Again, I'm not a day trader, but in this article, this was just earlier today, a lot of people are speculating this is going to be happening pretty soon. Now, you can read this article on Crypto Potato by Yaz. I'm going to butcher that last name, but they have some interesting eyes on this. And before when this was posted, I was watching this, and he had predicted that we were going to go up to $1.48, or at least that's what he had on his timelines and Fibonacci lines, whatever it is. Again, I'm not a day trader, so I don't participate in this kind of thinking. I invest in something based on the fundamentals in the long term, but you can read into this article so far right now. What he was talking about, or what a lot of day traders are saying, is there's some resistance at $1.52 and $1.48. It bounced right off that $1.48, and it fell down to $1.20 or $1.25, which I mean, he speculated some stuff in that range too as some support. So a lot of people are saying it's going to be hitting $2 pretty soon, at least in the next like 7 days. Now, is that going to be a run up on its own, or is that going to be just because Bitcoin goes up and just kind of goes up as a result of that? Because this yellow line here is the Bitcoin valuation, or ADA against Bitcoin. Now, that could just stay completely stagnant, and if Bitcoin goes up to, let's say, 65,000, you'll see the green line, which is the Cardano price, shoot up, but possibly the valuation against Bitcoin stay dead even. Now, that's possible as well, and that could be how we reach $2, but I don't know. I'm going to be myself, sprinkling in $100 at a time every time I see some opportunities present themselves, just like I just did, and possibly some more. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below what you guys are going to be doing and what you guys think a realistic timeline is for a $2 ADA, or are you guys completely against Cardano, or you team Ethereum all the way? Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm a little bit split. I'm obviously mostly in Ethereum. I talk about it all the time on this channel, but I know there are a lot of people who are like fully like making their own Cardano religion, and they're all for it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Also, like I said before, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned on all the latest of what's happening. I try to get to every single comment, so comment down below and talk to me. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.